Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your own writing exercises on the Anton application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the study lists icon down below, which is the last option. Now you can create a new study list by tapping on the write list icon in the middle of the screen. Then you should choose a study list category from the following ones. Tap on the relevant one, and now you are ready to create new entries by typing in words and then the English equivalent to it. If the topic is concerned with languages, or you can also choose an already existing study list that you can view at this page. Tap on the relevant one that you would like to use, scroll down till you find the practice writing option and tap on it. Here you can select whether you would like to hear the pronunciation of both languages, only the French or the English one, or you can completely turn it off if you feel like to do so by tapping on the relevant button. If you are done with these steps and you would like to begin with the writing exercises, just tap on the button begin down below.
Head.
Here you will be able to start typing in the French equivalent of that word. If you are done with it, you can proceed with the exercises. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.